Willpower is the lie you were taught to trust. You think if you just try harder, you will finally change. You promise yourself tomorrow will be different, but tomorrow keeps failing you. And the reason is not weakness, it is structure. Studies reveal something uncomfortable. Willpower is limited. It drains, it fades, and the more you rely on it, the faster it disappears. That is why you start strong and quit early. Not because you lack discipline, but because you built your life on a fragile system. Think about how your days actually go. You wake up motivated. You plan to eat better, work deeper, and stop wasting time. Then life hits. Decisions pile up, stress builds. By evening, you are exhausted and disappointed again. Willpower was never designed to carry that load. High performers understand this. They do not depend on willpower, they design systems. A system removes decisions. It turns effort into default behavior. When the choice is already made, there is nothing to fight. Contrast that with most people. They negotiate with themselves all day. Should I work now or later? Should I scroll or focus? Should I quit or push? Every decision drains mental energy. Eventually, quitting feels like relief. This is where the gap forms. Winners don't feel stronger, they feel fewer choices. Their environment supports their goals, their routines protect their focus, their systems carry them when motivation disappears. A system can be simple: fixed wake times, phone restrictions, clear work blocks, planned meals, non-negotiable habits. Each one removes friction. Each one saves willpower for moments that matter. Without a system, you live reactively. You wait for motivation. You depend on mood. You hope discipline shows up. That is why progress feels random. Some days you win, most days you stall. With a system, progress becomes boring, predictable, powerful. You act even when you don't feel like it, because the path is already set. You are no longer deciding, you are executing. This is the identity shift most people miss. You stop asking who you want to be. You start asking what system that person lives inside. Identity follows behavior, and behavior follows structure. The moment you build one small system, everything changes. You stop blaming yourself. You stop starting over. You stop feeling broken. You realize the problem was never you, it was the lack of support around you. Willpower is unreliable. Systems are patient. Willpower burns out. Systems compound. One depends on emotion, the other depends on design. If you want real change, stop chasing motivation. Build guardrails, build routines, build defaults. Make the right action easier than the wrong one. The future version of you is not stronger, he is better organized. He does not fight himself daily, he moves with clarity because his life is structured to support growth. Studies do not lie. Willpower fails without a system, and now you know why you kept losing the same battles. The only question left is simple. Will you keep relying on a force that fades, or will you finally build a system that carries you forward every single day? Right now, you have a chance to reset. Not next month, not next year, today. Pick one habit and lock it into a system. Same time, same place, same rule. Remove excuses before they appear. When resistance shows up, let the system decide for you. This is how discipline becomes automatic. This is how momentum replaces guilt. Do not wait for confidence, build evidence. Each completed action is proof you can trust yourself again. Stay consistent long enough and your old self becomes unrecognizable. That's how real change finally sticks. Start small, but stay strict. One system beats 10 intentions. Protect it daily. Guard it from distractions. Over time, it shapes your mind. Eventually, it shapes your future. And one day, you will look back and realize discipline was never about trying harder, only designing smarter for life.